Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day, and these markets extending the gains upward. Right now, you got the S&Ps up 64 points, 2.3% in the positive, trading at 28.23. NASDAQ up 252 points, trading at 85.79. The Dow up 533 points, trading 23,842. Oil negative today by about 60 cents, trading at 21.80. Gold trading higher once again as well, up $16 at $17.78. We're going to start things off with the VIX this morning. The VIX with a 38 handle on a daily basis, quite the acceleration. We've been downtrending, you could call it, since March 30th, the entire month of April, with volatility getting sucked out. The peak occurring March 18th. Pretty remarkable that we're on April 14th. Did we get a peak in the VIX volatility almost a month ago? Time is just flying, folks. Jumping back to the charts, we'll start things off with the indices. We'll start it off with the S&P. Charging higher. There's your low yesterday of 27.11. The S&P is now up 110 points, trading higher right out of the gate this morning. A little bit of volatility at 9:30, but we're a solid almost 1% off the market open of 27.96, the low there. NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ, the strongest of the indices yesterday, charging higher again today as well, almost at 8,600, 80.74. Dow 30, 23,855. There's your crude oil chart. Crude actually dipping down to a low of almost a 20 handle, getting 21.15 at about 8:30 this morning, now trading at 21.78. There's gold charging higher. Gold reached a high last night of 17.84, coming within dollars of that high again at 17.79 right now, and the euro US dollar at 109.68. In terms of what else we have happening out there, lots of action. We got JP Morgan earnings. We have Johnson & Johnson raising their dividend. Let's jump over to those two for a moment. JP Morgan, now this is a daily chart. We're up about 1%, but the markets are up about 2%. All right, you got J&J. They raised their dividend. They're up about 4%. Tesla shares, they're up $73 or 11% on an upgrade. And how about Amazon at all-time highs, up 3% again at $22.38. Stay tuned, folks. Come back at 10 o'clock with Tom. And don't forget the front page at TFNN.com. Basil Chapman, tomorrow, 9 a.m., a full-day webinar. Check it out. We'll be right back, folks.